Yeah, good morning. We shall start. This was the last question we had discussed. Question 9 is find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9, and 10. We had solved this type of question probably in class 6, not the square number, but a number divisible by 3 or 4 numbers.
Yes, sir.
We were finding the least common multiple LCM. So here the same procedure, we will find the LCM, then we will see whether it is a square number or what number should be multiplied to make it a square number. So the smallest square number that is divisible by each of 4, 9, 10 will be LCM of 4, 9, 10. We know how to find the LCM. We have to take the numbers and do prime factorization. When you divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 9 is written as it is. Now if you observe, this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 5, further this is divisible by 3 times. So finally we will be getting the LCM as
180.
180.
180, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So 180 is the LCM.
We should multiply 180
The square
by
number,
5,
sir.
sir.
sir, directly we can do na sir, which don't have pair. We make pair and directly if we did same answer will come.
Correct, sir. We have found the LCM as 180. Here 5 is not having a pair. That is the
Then we
reason
have
why
to multiply.
I have followed prime factorization so that I will come to know that it is not having pair and I also know the LCM. Now 5 has to be paired. So when you multiply 5 on either side, we get 900 as a square number. So this is the smallest square number which is divisible by each of 4, 9 and 10. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, why we should multiply into 5, sir?
Because 180 is not a square number. Because you
And
can
sir,
see
5
here
is
2
not
square,
having
3
pair.
square, 5 is not having a pair. So we are multiplying with 5.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Question 10 is similar to question 9. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. Same procedure, we will find the LCM. Now when you divide by 2, 2
Sir,
4
15 will be as it is.
15 should be kept as it is. Again, we'll divide by 2,
2.
now by 3, now
No,
by
sir.
5.
2.
Same is this. 2 square into 3
One more
into,
2 should be there.
why one more 2?
Sir, in last 2, 1 and 1 is there, sir.
You can see
Yes,
here,
sir.
there is 2 square I have written. There is 1 3,
Yes, sir.
3 is written.
Yes, sir.
1 5, 5 is written.
Yes, sir.
One of the 2 is there here. 2 I have written here. So the
Sir,
LCM here is 120.
Yes, sir.
sir, it should be multiplied by 30.
Ajay Shetty, there is some problem with your mic. Yeah, 120 is not a square number. We need to multiply 1, 2, 2, 3, and 5. So 2 into 3 into 5 has to be multiplied so that we get the square number as,
Sir, 3600.
correct, 3600.
Yes, sir.
All of you have understood this?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
It's easy.
How to get
Yes,
31?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
How to get 30?
Yes, sir.
2
How to get
multiplied to 3 multiplied to 5.
Yes, sir. 15 is a
Okay,
5
sir.
is a 15.
Correct?
15 2 is equal to 30, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
5 is a 15. 15 into 2 is 30, sir.
correct. This is the application of prime factorization method. Now we have the last exercise, exercise 6.4. We have come to division method. All of you should be very careful and learn how to solve by division method. When the given question is having 4 digits, there will be easy for grouping. We have to always start grouping from left hand side, left to right to left. So there will be 2 groups. So we will make the groups like this. Then observe the first number is 23. To this, the nearest square we have to find.
Sir, 16.
It's
4,
not
4 just 16.
25 because it is exceeding 23. So 16,
The square number is 48, sir.
16, 4 fours are 16. Now the next step is this 4 to be added to 4. We get 8.
Mhm.
Now we have to subtract this 16 from 23.
7.
We get 7. Now we have to take this
Bring down.
group
Down, sir.
together. It is 0, 4. Along with the 8, Adishiti,
8, sir. 88. 88, sir.
88.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Exactly, we get 0 as a remainder.
Yes, sir. 48. Red 2,340.
Now, therefore, I can write the conclusion. Square root of 2304 is 48. This is the method to simplify. Always remember to group it properly. Let's look at the next question. Here I have taken the group as 89 and 44. The nearest square number is 36. Ajay Shetty,
Yes, sir.
probably there is some problem with the mic. You kindly
Sir.
mute.
Okay, sir.
Nearest square number is 36. 6 times we get 36. Now 6 should be added. We get 12 here. And the difference of 44 and 36 is 8. Now we have taken 89 as carry. Now along with the 12, we have to have one more digit here. What
Sir,
should be
7.
considered?
Sir, 7.
7.
Always-
Also in the 84, sir. It is nearest to 88, sir.
Yes, how did you guess that it is 7?
Sir,
Sir,
Because, sir,
127 into 7 is 889, sir.
sir, if we take 3 means 123 into 3 will be lesser than 88.
Abhinav is right. We have to look at units place.
yes, sir.
Units place is 9. If you multiply 3, we get unit place as 9. Or we have to multiply 7 to get 9 in the units place. So this will be a smaller number. What will be this? This will be 369. When you multiply 7 with 127, we get it as 889.
889.
So 7 should be multiplied, we get 889 and we get the remainder as 0.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, square root of 4489 is 67. Here I have made a blank one. We keep filling this now. I have
Yes,
to
sir.
make the group. 81 is one group, 34 is the other group.
Yes, sir.
Now to the nearest 34, we have 25.
5 for 25. Yes, sir. 5 for 25.
Very
5
good.
for
Here 5 added.
will
What do we get?
become 10, sir.
Sir, 10.
This will become
10, sir.
10.
Yes, sir.
The remainder will be 9.
9, sir.
Is
9,
9.
sir.
We take the
Yes, sir.
group 81.
9, sir.
Now, what should be considered here?
Sir, 9, sir.
Sir, 9, sir.
1
Very
not 9
good.
and 59, sir.
15,
So exactly we get 981.
yes, sir.
Therefore, the square root of
Yes, sir.
3481 is
59.
9. It's simple.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
of you understood this?
Sir, is my voice is clear now?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. So how to find that 9, sir?
Which one? Here.
We have to take one
Look
or
at the
9, sir.
units place. Look at the units place. 1 is there in the units place. So either you should multiply with 101, which becomes very small, or you have to multiply with 9. We get 989 and 981 exactly. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now if you solve the next one on your own, you will be able to tell it. Now over to you.
23, sir.
Which are the groups here,
23.
sir?
23.
Groups.
Sir,
5 is
29
one group, sir. 29 is one group.
Correct.
29
Very good.
29 should be written, sir.
Veerappa, Marthandappa,
Yes,
4
sir.
is square number. So how do we get that 4? 2 2 times.
Yes,
So
sir.
plus 2 should be added. We get 4 here. Difference is 1.
Remainder is 1.
129. How do we get 129?
So we should
We
multiply
have
1 or
to bring
9.
them.
3, sir. 3 should be written, sir.
3 should be written.
43.
Yes, sir.
Yes, why 3 should be written?
Because in one place it is 9, sir. If we multiply by 7, sir, it will become more, sir. So we have to multiply it by 3, sir.
Very good.
43 is 129, sir.
43 into 3 is 129.
Very good. The difference is 0. Therefore, the result root of 529 is
23, sir.
23.
23.
Isn't it simple?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, over to Sudeep Hirambat. You tell what are the groups.
Sir, first one is 25. 5 square is 25.
Sudeep, I asked what are the groups. 32 is one group.
30 to 49. 30 to 49.
Okay. The nearest square number is?
25.
So 5 times is 25. Correct?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Now what should be written here?
25.
Now here what should be written in this blank? 5 should be written. If 5 and 5 are added up, we get 10. Here the difference is 32 minus 25 is 7. Now like the previous question, we have to look at the units place. If you do 7 times, exactly we get 749. Therefore, the remainder is 0. Hence, the result is root of 3249 is equal to
57.
57.
57.
Yes, very good. Now, Hasini, in this you tell me what are the groups. Harish, Rehan,
Can I tell, sir?
Rehan, you raised hand. Rajshekar Ayyaramach. Yes, what are the groups?
Can I?
Sujit?
Can I tell, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can I tell, sir?
Yes, Sujit will tell. Fast, huh?
Sir, one group is of 13,
Okay.
another is 69, sir.
All right. Next step.
And nearest square is 9, sir.
Very good.
V square.
So 3 should
Plus
be
3.
added. We get
Yes, sir.
6.
6.
Here
Yes,
the
sir.
difference is
Sir, 4.
correct.
And
69.
7 should be written, sir. Square.
Is it?
7, sir. Yes, sir.
Ajay, what is the doubt?
Ajay Shetty, Ajay Patil are
Ajaya 5650.
nothing, sir.
Nothing. You have understood this?
Yes, sir. We understood, sir.
All right.
Sir.
Uday, you
Sir?
tell me what are the groups here?
Sir, one group is 57, sir.
Hmm.
Another is 76, sir.
Okay. The nearest square number to 57 is?
49, sir.
Right. 7 times is 49. 7 should be added up. What do we get? 14.
14, sir. Yes, sir. Minus is 8, sir. Remainder
Correct,
is
sir.
76, sir. Then 14.
Either it has to end with 4 or 6.
Sir,
Now we have
7.
to check.
6, sir. 6, sir. 6.
Suppose we
147.
multiply with 6. 36, 3 carry.
Yes, sir.
42 plus
Sir,
3 is 7.
27,
7.
We get?
sir. Yes, sir. We get, sir.
Correct,
So,
sir.
yes, sir.
876. Remainder is
0 will
0.
come, sir.
Therefore,
Yes, sir.
root of 5776 is
Is equal to 76, sir.
76. Very good.
Thank you.
Now,
Sir, next I will test.
7921. We will ask somebody else. Shobhan.
Sir, selected.
Sir,
Shobhan.
Sir, 79 and 21 are groups, sir.
Very good. Nearest square number?
8, sir.
8, 8 are 64. 8 to be added up, we get 16 here. The difference is
15.
14, sir.
152.
15 or 14.
15, sir.
15, sir.
15, sir. 15.
And
Now you
21,
look
sir.
at 1 is there in the units place. So what
Yes,
should be
sir.
multiplied here?
1 or
9,
9,
sir.
sir.
1 or
1
9?
cannot be
9,
there.
sir.
Correct, sir. If
9.
you
9,
multiply
sir.
with the 9, 9 nines are 81, 8 will be carry, 9 6 are 9 6 are
54, sir.
54.
54 plus 8.
8.
Further,
62, sir.
6 plus 9.
62.
So
Yes, sir.
exactly we get
15.
Sir.
Remainder is 0, sir. Then.
correct,
Answer
sir.
is good. 89 square, sir.
89 is the answer. 89 square is not the answer.
Yes, square root of 7,921 is equal to 89, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
sir.
it's a very simple question.
24, sir.
Fast we will solve it.
Sir, 26, sir.
24.
Is it 24 or 26?
24.
24.
24, sir.
25 to 24 is equal to 576.
16, sir. So,
Root of 576 is 24.
24.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. This you have how to
Sir, what is the method to solve it?
5 and 76 are the groups because from the left side 2.
Then,
Sir, we can't take 57 and 6, sir.
No, you cannot group it as 57 and 6.
Take right to left.
You have
No, sir,
to
so
start from the right most
sir.
to left.
4 into 4.
Start from the units place.
You know what should be written here? 6.
4, sir.
Sir, 4.
Yes, sir.
4, 4.
Sir.
4, sir. Sir, 44 into 4 is 6.
So this is the method. This is very simple. 32 is the answer.
32.
32, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
smallest
32.
4-digit square number.
This one I want somebody to answer
56.
this
Sir,
time.
56.
56 square. Sir.
56?
56. Yes, sir.
How did you guess that it is 56?
Sir, 6 is the unit digit and
Nearest square number is 25, so 5 has to be
Yes, sir.
there.
5, sir. 5
So
is
this is
25.
ending with 6. So 6,
Yes, sir.
56.
Then
This is how we guess it.
yes, sir.
Method you understood. This is last one.
The 30.
Thirty, sir.
3 3 9, so sir, 13 plus 100
will come.
Yes, somebody was having doubt how to group it. This time, Rehan Sheikh. Are you there?
0 0 0 9, sir. One group is 9, sir. Another group is 0 0, sir.
It's asking to Rehan. That you just keep quiet.
रेहान अब क्या करना है?
Sir, 3 square we should have to write, sir. Download this 9, sir.
Okay, sir. Then we get 0 here. Hmm.
We should add 3, sir.
Hmm.
And we should have to write their 0, sir.
Okay, sir. Now, how to tell that what number to be multiplied here?
0 into 0 will give
The
0.
1 0.
sir.
60
The 1
Whenever
0 to be multiplied.
0 into
0, sir. 0.
0 into 0, 0 square.
in class 5 we have learned division. Whenever zeros used to be there, we used to write 0 here and take those two zeros. So same method, we get the root of 900 as 50. Look at the question here. It's a different question. Find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without any calculation.
Sir,
Sir, can
4
I tell?
numbers, sir.
1,
Sir,
sir.
can I tell?
One bar is placed on top.
We have to pair them, sir. How many pairs will come? That many digits will be there.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in 64, 2 digits are there, sir. We should divide by 2, sir.
How many bars
2
will be there?
divided by 2. The answer will come 1.
Both of you are right. If n is the number of digits in the square number, then the number of digits in its square root will be n by 2, provided it is even. N plus 1 by 2 if it is odd. Always we have to look at the number of digits. Pardon? Here n is 2. Therefore, the number of digits is 2 by 2, which is 1. So square root will be having only
1 digit.
one digit. If you look at the pair of two numbers, here there is only one pair, hence one will be the square, one will be the number of digits in the square root. Both of your answers are correct. Now if it is 144, the number of digits are
Sir, n
two,
plus
sir.
1 divided by 2.
2,
Sir,
sir.
2, sir.
3 1
Two, sir.
Sir,
Because
3 plus 1
two pairs
divided
will
by
happen,
2.
sir.
4 by 2 is 2 digits, sir.
correct. N plus 1 by 2 if you do, we get 2 as the number of digits in the square root. Pankaj Singh has joined now.
2, sir.
Okay,
2, sir.
4489.
Sir, 4 digits are there. We should divide it
Two,
by
sir.
2, sir.
4 digits are there, hence there will be
2
We
digits.
can place 2 bars.
2 digit.
Only
Here
2.
3, sir.
here 5 are there.
3,
Sir,
sir.
5 plus
Three,
1
sir.
divided by 2.
6 divided
5
by 2.
plus
Divided by 2 is equal to 3, sir.
5 plus 1
Divided by 2 is equal to 3.
Correct. Now we have 6 digits.
The 6 divided by
6 by 2.
the 6 divided
6 by 2 is equal to 3, sir. 6 by 2 is equal to 3, sir.
3 will be the number of digits. 3 will be the number of.
4 by 2, sir.
Now look at that is a decimal.
1.6, sir.
1.6 is the right answer, but how do we solve it?
Sir, in decimals, you have to go from left to right, from point to end.
Sir,
Sir.
Sir, the
2
nearest
digits are
square
there,
is
sir. We have to write
1,
1
sir.
digit, sir.
1 1.
We have to take square root of 256, sir. And 2 digits after that is there, sir.
Sir,
Look,
pairing
look
should be
at
done
look
from
at
left to right.
look at this number here. From here, 4 3. Here you have to start. 3, 4 is one group, 1, 2 is another group. From the decimal point, from the right side, we have to group. It's like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have these two groups. 2 is a separate group, 5, 6 is another group. We follow the same procedure. The nearest square number is 1. We get 1 times as 1. We add 1, we get it as 2. When we subtract, we get 1. Now it's very important. Sujit has a doubt.
Sir.
Sujit, you have a doubt?
No, sir.
Then what is that emoji, sir?
Sir, I am sending another. It came that one.
You need not send any emoji, sir. You just observe and learn.
Yes.
Very importantly, you have to mention the decimal here to take the next two digits here. Now, along with the 2, we have to consider some number. If you take 424 4 times is smaller,
6, sir.
we'll take 6. We get exactly 0. Therefore, the result is 1.6.
1.6.
It's easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is another method, alternate method I'm tell you.
If there are
Yes.
2 points, we'll make it as 1 point, then
Sir, 6 till 25.
256 by 100.
Correct. 256 is a square number, 100 is also a square number. When we take the roots, we get 16 and 10. 16 by 10 is 1.6. This is another method, but always prefer solving by division method. This is the method you must use.
Okay.
Now I'll give a blank. Here we are going to solve it.
27. 2.7.
0. Point.
7 is a separate group. 2, 9 is a separate group. The nearest
Yes,
square
sir.
number is 4.
4, sir.
4, sir.
So 2 times.
2,
We
2,
are
sir.
going to add 2. We get
2 into
4
2.
here. The difference of 4 and 7 is 3. So
3 will
29.
3 will be reminded, sir.
Here the
Remainder
decimal
will
has
be
to be
3.
placed.
And 29 should be brought down by keeping a point after 2, sir. After the
Sir,
2, after decimal
27 is
point
the
should be
root
on
of
2, sir.
2.7, sir.
7, no?
No.
Sir,
So I have made a
sir,
mistake
7
here.
should
Yes, sir. 7, sir.
43.
Sir, 7 should come.
Instead of 3, we have to put 7.
Yes, sir. 2.7, sir.
47 into 7 is
Root
The
of
43 into 3 is 129, sir.
47 into 7.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is correct, sir.
So we get 2.7.
Yes, sir. Root of 7.29 is equal to 2.7, sir.
Very good. This you will try?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
7.2, sir.
Sir, 7.2.
7.2.
7.2.
So 7.2.
Why not 7.6?
Because in one
Sir,
digit, sir,
Yes,
4,
sir.
sir.
unit place is 4,
I am
sir.
also,
If we
as
multiply,
you are telling, I am also guessing it. The nearest square number is 49, so 7 has to be there. Here it is having 4 in the units place, so I guess it is 7.6.
no, sir, in one place, sir, there is 4, sir. If you multiply it by 6, sir, there
It
will
will
be
come
a
6, sir.
6 in, sir. So we
Correct.
have to do it by 4 only, sir.
Only
2.
2 or 8 can come, sir.
Only 2 or
8. 8
8
8
can
is
come.
64.
Yes,
2
sir.
into 2 is equal to 4.
Yes, sir. Here 8 at the 64. The unit place is 4, sir. Here also 4, sir.
So these are the possibilities. 7.2, 7.8,
7.2 is answer.
Yes.
7.2 is the answer.
Sir, 284 is smaller number.
Instead of having all these confusions, better you solve by division method. This will be easy for you because in class 9th, your first chapter starts with this method. Division
Number
method is very
system.
important in the number system. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question.
Yes, sir.
0.5 is answer.
Yes, sir. 2.5.
2.5 is 2.5. 5.5.
No,
Sir,
sir.
6.5.
6.5.
6.5, sir.
Over to Srishail Rampur. Srishail? Vikas?
Hello, sir.
Vikas, we can solve it? Or
Yes,
Srishail,
sir.
we can solve it? Yes, Srishail, start. What are the groups here? Shriyansh?
Yes, sir.
We shall start. What are the
Yes,
groups?
sir. The
Select
42, 25.
42 and 25. Correct. The nearest square number
2.5.
is 36. So 6 times. So plus 6 is
The
done.
nearest
We get 12.
6 square.
Here we have to place the decimal and take this
Yes, sir.
25.
Yes, sir.
The difference is 6. If you
Sir,
multiply
it will
with
become
5,
5, sir.
I.
we get
Five,
Yes, sir.
exactly
6.5.
0 as a reminder. Therefore, the result is root
6.5.
of 42.25 is 6.5. This is the last one. This you can do on your own. What will be the answer?
5.6.
5.6.
5.6, sir. 5.6, sir.
5.6, sir, because
Hmm.
5.6, sir. There is 25, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
Jay
same
Prakash,
method.
it's correct. 5.6 is the answer.
Square of 6.
Here, there is another question, interesting one. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following so has to get a perfect square. Also find
Sir,
square root
select
of
it, sir.
the perfect.
Sir, the remainder
Sir,
in
we should do
long
first
division.
division method, sir, and the remainder number should be subtracted from it, sir, so that the square root will that will be a square number, sir.
You are right. In the prime factorization method, we have found what should be multiplied or what should be divided. These two we have done. This was a prime factorization method. Now in the division method, we will find out what should be added or what should be subtracted in the division method.
Subtracted, sir.
Now we shall take up one of the question here. Randomly we will take. Which question shall be solved?
4 and 2.
The first one.
Sir,
First one is
3250,
simple,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
First one is simple. We'll do the
Question,
third
sir.
one. All right. Third question will solve.
4,000, sir.
Third one, sir.
The pair here is 32 and 50. The nearest square number to 32 is 25. We get it as 5 times. So plus 5 is done. We get 10. The difference is 7. So we get 750 here. If you multiply 7 times, we get 749. Here 1 will remain. So when 1 is remaining, we can say that
So we should subtract it.
3250 minus 1. We get 3249.
3249.
Sir,
Therefore,
1.
square root of 3249 is 57.
57.
57.
Isn't it easy?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sir,
Please
Yes,
follow. 15, sir.
Please solve.
Fifth answer. 4,000.
Sir,
Fifth
it
one.
is easy, sir.
Okay, fifth one we will do it. I'll go to previous. Fifth one we shall do. All right, sir. Now you can only tell me what are the groups.
40
Sir,
and
40 and 0,
Sir,
0,
40
sir.
and double zero.
6,
Okay.
6, sir, 36, sir.
36 is a square number.
And the
When
12,
6 is
sir.
added, we get 12.
12.
Uday, again there is a problem.
123 into 3, sir.
We are not able to hear clearly.
123 into 3.
123 into 3. If you do that, we get 9, 6, 3, 69. And the difference is
31.
31.
31.
31.
So
And
that
31
has
should
to
be
be
subtracted
subtracted.
from 4,000, sir.
So 4000 minus 31 is how much?
4,068, 69, sir. 4,069.
3969.
What are you telling, sir?
3969.
What should be subtracted?
31.
3969, sir. 969.
Is equal to 63.
63, sir.
Yes, sir. 63, sir.
Now all of you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
The remaining questions you can do it. You can note down the questions
Okay,
and
sir.
you can solve.
The fourth one remainder is 20 and the root is 29.
Fourth one,
Remainder is 20. So 20 should be subtracted.
Sir, first one is 2, sir. 2 should be
fourth one. In the fourth one, actually
784, sir. 41 should be subtracted.
remainder is 41, sir. You try.
Yes, sir.
It's easy. 41 will be the remainder.
784 square is equal to 28 square.
First one is 2, sir.
All right. We shall take a fifth question. We shall solve any one of them.
641.
Here the question is, what should be added? It's very interesting question. What should be added?
Yes, sir.
What shall we take now? Which one?
Fifth one, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
question
the
5.
quotient is the
The last
smallest
one, sir.
one,
6412.
and next number to quotient is bigger than the dividend, sir. We have to subtract quotient minus dividend will give the number to be added, sir.
I will tell another simple way. You just look at this number 6412. 64 is one group, 12 is another group. The nearest square number is 64 exactly. 8 8s are 64. 8
Yes,
8s
sir.
are 64. We get it as
Yes,
16.
sir.
Now we need to take this 1 2. 1 2 is a very small number. In such
Four should
cases,
be-
what we have to do? We
0.
have to place 0.
We have to take.
We have to place 0. Therefore, the remainder becomes 12. Here, 80 is the number which is 80 times of 80 is 6400. Very nearer, but not the next one, isn't it?
The
We
60
have to
minus
consider.
6412 minus 12, sir.
It means that it represents that a square of 80 is less than 6412. Therefore, we have to consider 81 square, which is 81 times of 81. I'll write 6561. This is the square. Now, what you have to do is this 81 square minus
80 square.
6412 to be done.
6412 to be done.
What should be added there, sir? Not what should be subtraction. Yes, sir.
Therefore, 149 to be added. It is little confusing.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Those who have not understood it, I'll tell once again. Observe it very carefully. We have to make the groups. Group is done. Nearest square number is 64. So 8 times is 64. Difference is 0. 8 plus 8 is 16. Here 12 is taken as carry. You have to take 0 because this number is smaller. So 160 times of 0 is 0. 12 is the remainder. This is an indication that the given number is not a square number. So the next square number we have to find out. So 81 square is 6561. So 6561 minus 6412 will
Sir,
give
why 81, sir?
y80 y81.
Sir, because 80 square is 64,000, sir, and 81 square is 6561, sir. 6412 between 80 and 81 square, sir.
I said 80 square is 6400, which is a smaller number than 6412. Now the question is what should be added? The question is not what should be subtracted, what should be
Yes, sir.
added.
Okay. Yeah, that's
Therefore, we have to consider 81 square, which is 6561. So 6561 minus 6412 will give what number to be added. Now, all of you must have understood it. Please try these remaining questions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When you solve this remaining question, you will understand that whether you have understood it really or not.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for this.
Now, with this question, I'll end today's session because the time is up. If there is any doubt, you can ask.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt.
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Hopefully, people will do these remaining 4 questions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can
Yes,
do,
sir.
sir.
You
Yes, sir.
try remaining 4 questions. If you have not understood it, Monday we will solve them. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you.